In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp to Excel. Exporting your tasks to Excel is really useful if you want to run custom reports, share data with people who don't use ClickUp, or do deeper analysis with filters and formulas. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll have a clean Excel file downloaded to your computer. First, open ClickUp and go to the list view that contains the tasks you want to export. Make sure you're actually in a list, not a board or calendar view, because the export options we need are based on the list layout. If necessary, switch to list view using the view selector at the top of your screen. Next, click into the specific project or list you want to export. Take a moment here to confirm that this is the exact data set you want. Any filters or sorting you apply in this view can affect what you see and, in some export options, what ends up in your Excel file. So, if you only want certain tasks, apply those filters before you move on. Now, look towards the top right corner of your list view and find the small gear icon. This is usually used for view settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu for this particular view. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Export View and click on it. This opens the Export Settings panel where you'll configure how your Excel file will be generated. By default, ClickUp sets the file format to CSV. Since we want an actual Excel file, go to the File Format section, which is the first section you'll see, and switch it from CSV to Excel. This will ensure your download is ready to open directly in Excel without extra conversion. Next, decide what you want to export. You'll usually see options like exporting only the visible columns, exporting task names only, or exporting all columns. If you have carefully chosen which columns to show in your list, visible columns is often the best choice. If you just need a simple list, task names only can keep things clean. And if you want everything, including fields you might not be seeing on screen, choose all columns. Then choose your preferred date format. Pick the style that matches how your team or your region typically writes dates, so you avoid confusion later when reading or sorting in Excel. After that, set the time format. Decide whether you want a 12-hour or 24-hour format, depending on what makes the most sense for you and your stakeholders. Once all your options are set, click on Download. ClickUp will generate the Excel file based on your selections and save it to your computer, usually in your default Downloads folder. You can then open it in Excel and start working with your data right away.